Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I am showing you how to reorder products within Fulfill Engine. So if we pop over to a store that I've been working on, you can see that the products aren't in any particular type of sorted order or anything like that. There's like t-shirts and hoodies and t-shirts and polos and more t-shirts, so it just doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So from the web store dashboard here, you're going to go down to get to categories. And now this is assuming that you have categories set up. So now we're going to go into the desired category like so. And then if you click on tasks, you can now arrange products and colors. And at this point, you could go ahead and just start dragging and dropping them into the desired order. Give me a minute, I'll show you what it looks like. So now that we've rearranged everything, this is now what this page looks like, and it is quite a bit cleaner to look at than how the products initially came in. And if anyone at Stalls is watching, this would be an awesome time to drop in a feature to sort like a price low to high or something like that. Thanks for watching.